no. My stomach hurts. I feel very bad. Mom. Dad. Please help me. Ben, what happened? My stomach hurts. Are you okay?
Ben, tell me.
It hurts a lot. We will help you.
Don't worry, honey. We're here.
You look very sick.
I feel weak.
We should go now. Let's go to the hospital.
Yes, right now.
Okay, Dad.
Put on your jacket.
I am ready.
Let's hurry! My stomach still hurts.
Stay calm, Ben.
We are with you.
We are in the car.
Thank you, Dad. We will arrive soon. I feel tired. Rest a little.
We are almost there. We are at the hospital.
I feel scared.
Everything will be okay. Hello, Ben.
My stomach hurts.
I will check you. Do not worry. Okay, doctor.
Thank you.
You need some medicine. Will I be okay? Yes, very soon.
I feel better now.
That is great.
Let's go home.